Introducing Paul Vragel, a thought leader and founder and president of For a Better Business, an implementation-based consultancy that helps companies develop immediate, enthusiastic buy-in to rapid change, and implement transformational improvements in productivity and growth. A tough but successful early career experience while working overseas as a naval architect and marine engineer gave Paul key insights to getting immediate, enthusiastic buy-in to change.
It gets worse. But the real issue was the management told them that I was there to tell them how to fix the bearings. I didn't even know what they did.
Paul applied those principles in multiple environments while working for Amoco, now BP, including managing ship constructions and conversions, fleet replacement analysis and large cross-functional industrial projects. In his final position with Amoco, he led global technology evaluation for the computer department, for which he and his team developed an award-winning system that reduced time and risk for identification, evaluation and implementation of new technology. After founding For a Better Business 25-plus years ago, Paul applied the insights and experience gained to help clients across industries achieve transformational improvements in productivity and growth. This included, for an underperforming automotive parts supplier, resolving 75 issues in 30 days, achieving within 6 months a 30% increase in earnings, and pursuing and achieving, within 12 months, their first ever business with Toyota. For a specialty chemical company, private equity owned, recovery from a failed acquisition integration, and improving on-time delivery from 50% to 96% while reducing inventory by 22%, including digital transformation.
I'm founder and president of For a Better Business, and what I'm going to talk about today is painlessly developing enthusiastic buy-in to change and using that to transform an entire company. What do customers want? Value, okay. Anything else? Cheaper, faster, better, okay. Product or service. I mean, we could be here all afternoon into this. Books have been written on this. But actually, I'm just going to limit this to 4 words. We're both talking about the same process. But now we got two maybe diametrically opposed, certainly not compatible, ideas of what the next step should be. So how does that get resolved?
Paul has spoken at multiple industry, association, thought leadership and other venues on topics around buy-in to change, improvement-seeking cultures and digital transformations. Participants have cited their ability to put the ideas into practice, and presentations have been repeatedly cited as the most impactful at conferences.
It's common wisdom that employees resist change. My experience, getting the buy-in from the management and the employees and achieving large-scale change in short periods of time is that really employees don't necessarily resist change.